We're gonna go on a little late night grocery shopping session. Get Littlest Pet Shops and get stuff to bake pumpkin cookies. So come with us.
What?
We have made it to our destination. We're gonna look for pumpkin puree, pumpkin spice, and Littlest Pet Shops. Hello? Hey, it's Ariana.
Oh, hi. Somebody's like, a spam call. Usually don't answer.
So
I have clothes, brown clothes. I have.
we should make this.
Make realistic slime.
Bluey.
Those are furblets.
Do they? Oh my god! If they don't.
No, they do have them. Stuff too. They're here somewhere.
Boy, no way.
Oh, they might be in this aisle. Oh, they're probably in this aisle. This is like. Basic.
Oh my gosh, the Monster High guys.
Oh, they're out.
No! Say you're fucking lying. So we ran into a problem. They're fucking all out. Who told this generation about these things? How fucking their problem? I thought this wasn't a thing, but they do have this single set, which I'm not gonna get. But they do have like this 2 set, which we could like split. And they also have this one, but this one has like the iconic cat and dog, so I don't know. But what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna ask people at the front if they have more of these, because I'm fucking desperate. I don't care if they're gonna close soon, honestly. So, a little bit unsuccessful. They got out of the blind bags. Who is telling their children about Littlest Pet Shops? Because from what I know, that was from my generation, not from the iPad kid generation. So who the fuck is buying them? Anyways, I did leave with something though. Isn't he so fire? Ariana's gonna take the little pink seahorse. I'm gonna take the little turtle. We'll unbox them later. And we got pumpkin puree. Got a chunky pumpkin. We're probably gonna make muffins and cookies, so stay tuned. Oh, we need to get allspice now, and I want to get my Biscoff spread. So we'll see you. Welcome to our unboxing. This is Series 4 Pet Surprise. These are the ones you can get. Let's say which ones we don't want, okay?
We don't want.
No. I don't want that dog. I don't want that bird or that dog. Or that yellow thing, or a weird owl thing. What do you not want?
I think all that I don't want is the owl and
This dog, the wiener dog. Oh, I want that wiener dog. Which one do you want then?
I really want the
most?
pink deer and the snail.
I really want the pink and purple cow. Really badly. Y'all ready for this ASMR? I don't know how you can open it without like absolutely.
I know, I just demolished the box.
Okay. I'm pulling stuff out. Okay, wait. Something fell out. I really want a pink and purple cow. Oh my gosh! Should I do the same thing? No way. Yeah, look away, look away.
I'm just gonna get the sticker off.
No way. It goes a little cavity out. Oh shit.
What?
No, just keep. I don't know what it looks like yet. It's What the fuck? Oh, wait. That's so cute. It gives the burger.
This is so cute.
Here's a little collector's card. And mine came with a little cappuccino. Stop, that's so cute. This is them next to each other.
Strike a pose.
Okay, okay. You're
So cute.
okay. These are what we got.